In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to toggle the grid in drawio for Confluence. The grid in drawio is a simple visual guide that helps you align shapes, keep spacing consistent, and snap connectors neatly into place. It doesn't change your content, it just makes arranging elements faster and cleaner. You can show it when you need precision and hide it when you want an unobstructed view of your diagram. First, open your diagram in Confluence in editing mode so you're inside the draw.io panel. Navigate to the Confluence page that contains your diagram, click Edit on the page, then select the diagram and choose to edit it. This opens the draw.io editor on the canvas. Make sure the canvas is active before using any shortcuts. Just click once anywhere on the white drawing area to give it focus. If your cursor is in a text field or the page itself is focused, shortcuts won't trigger the editor. A quick click on the canvas ensures the shortcut goes where it should. Now, toggle the grid with a single keyboard command. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus G. Pressing it once turns the grid on, and pressing it again turns the grid off. Think of it as a light switch for your layout guides. When the grid is on, you'll notice faint dots or lines across the canvas, and shapes will subtly snap as you move or resize them, helping you line things up precisely. When the grid is off, you get a cleaner, distraction-free view, great for reviewing or taking screenshots. You can tap the shortcut as often as you like while working, switching between precision alignment and a clear canvas in seconds. If you press the shortcut and don't see any change, click the canvas to ensure it's active, then try again. Also, zoom in slightly to make the grid easier to see. At very low zoom levels, the grid can appear faint. Remember, the grid is purely an editing aid. It won't alter how your content appears when viewed by others unless you've left it visible during editing, and even then, it won't print as part of the diagram image. That's all there is to it. Open your diagram in draw.io editing mode in Confluence, then use Ctrl plus Shift plus G to show or hide the grid on demand. Keep this shortcut handy and you'll find your diagrams come together faster, cleaner, and with far less guesswork.